Hey yo, what's poppin' guys? It's your boy Dennis Grizzard back at it again with another video. Here on my channel we talk about personal finance, saving, investing, entrepreneurship, and credit. I want to thank you guys for joining me again on the channel today. We're going to talk a little bit more about investing today on the channel. All right, so if you don't mind, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you know when we drop new videos, and let's get started. So this is going to be called the 3-week stock investment challenge. And I want to challenge everybody who is a subscriber to my channel, or if you're just tuning in, I want to challenge you guys to get involved in the stock market. And here is a really easy way to get started, right? So first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open a high yield savings account. And I want you to, every week when you get paid, or every 2 weeks when you get paid, I want you to commit $50 per week for 3 weeks out of the month, going straight to this high yield savings account that is dedicated solely for investing. All right, so after 3 weeks you should have $150, and on the 4th week I want you guys to go ahead and pick a stock that you're interested in, and I want you to do a little bit of research on it. I want you to have maybe like 5 to 10 different stocks that you've been researching, that you've been interested in, and I want you to go ahead and put the $150 into that stock. And I want you to change which stock that you're picking every month. So I want you to have a few different options. That way you can diversify your stock portfolio. And you go ahead and you take that $150 and you put it into the market. If you look back at old videos that I have, I told you guys which brokerage accounts that you can use to get started. You have apps like Robinhood. You can even get invested on Cash App. You have M1 Finance, all of these different options of brokerage accounts so you can get started in investing right from your phone. I want you guys to buy into the market regardless of the price that it's at, because the stock on average continues to go up every year. The market goes up and up every year. So I want you guys to buy in at whatever the price is on the 4th week. You go ahead and just buy in and put your money there so it can grow for the future. I want you guys to invest for the long term. I don't want you guys to think of this as a get-rich-quick scheme, because it's not. Investing is risky, and investing should be done for the long term. That way you can see your money grow over time. You have the benefit of compound interest the earlier that you start. So if you start today, you'll make more money starting today than you would make if you started tomorrow. So you want to make sure that you get started today and take advantage of that compound interest that's going to happen to your money as you watch it grow. The $150 is really important, and it's a great way to get started. Great way to get started. And then last thing I'm going to say for this challenge, I want you guys to assume that the $150 that you put into the stock market is already gone. Treat it like lost money. That way when you find out that your stock portfolio has risen, you can see the gains and you're excited about the gains. But if you lose a little bit of money in the meantime, you're not upset and you're not wondering, hey, what happened to my money? It's gone, I can't take it out now. You gotta just be ready to ride the wave. The stock market is very stressful at times, so I don't want you guys to check your stocks every day.
Don't do that.
You're gonna really stress yourself out. I want you to assume that the money is already gone. And then when you see the gains in the future, you'll be really excited and really happy that you got started today. So, once again, I want to thank you guys for joining me here today. My name is Dennis Grizzard. Here on my channel, we talk about personal finance, saving, investing, entrepreneurship, and credit. If you guys are interested in getting involved with this challenge, I would love to hear from you guys. Make sure you leave a comment and let me know what stocks you're interested in getting involved with, what's going to be your first purchase. You can message me on Instagram if you want, at Dennis Grizzard. Let me know if you need any help, if you need any suggestions. I'm more than happy to help you guys out with that. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, hit the bell for notifications so you know when we drop videos. There'll be 2 videos coming every week for you guys. All right? Thank you again. Peace.